How are you guys? Good morning. Once again, this is Stone Pickers. I will show you my a little piece of cut of my very there is a very rare and also unique meteorite. Uh, the color of this guys is very yellow guys in the personal, especially when you put into water and you will moisturize this stone. The color will really, you can see it very yellow guys, very yellow. And I don't know what is this guys kind of mineral mix in the stone. There is a line here white, and this is I don't know what kind of crystal is this guys, and many more there is. You can see here, guys, the color like brown and orange or red. Here this is white and this is gray. There is also yellow, but the whole is yellow, but there are so many. Yeah, you can see pink, red, but it's a portion only the. But I know guys, what kind of crystal is this? This one. Uh, but this is common also. But this one I don't know what this kind of crystal is this guys. So this is my rare and uh, unique meteorite guys. Yes guys, this is the outside guys. Very yellow guys, and the personal guys very yellow, especially when you put into water. You can see really his color very yellow. So many I don't know what kind of this one, and also this one, the red one, the portion red one there. Yeah, but it's very unique guys. The whole stone is almost 1 kilogram, almost one. I think this is 700 or 650 grams. This is my very rare unique meteorite slice. I sliced this one guys. I got to slice this small piece also for the sample guys. If there's any who wants to have this one, just contact me and I will just talking. This is almost available, and many kind of meteorite here in me. I have many stuck here. That's it guys, very beautiful, very beautiful. Thank you.